Okay, welcome everyone. All right, today I'll be showing you a strategy that you can use right now to be profitable on the Olymp Trade platform. All right, but before we move ahead, all right, I will need you to click on subscribe, click below on the YouTube channel, subscribe and click on like. All right. Also, if you check the links below, you would find the registration links. You will find our registration links below. So after this video, you can check it and then click the link to register and sign up. All right, let's get started. Okay, so now this is the Olymp Trade live platform. All right, on the desktop. This is how it looks. All right, so I will be showing you a quick strategy, right now on how to be profitable. This is a strategy that you can use immediately, all right, to make money right now on the Olymp Trade platform. All right, so I'll give a quick example. All right, so now the first indicator we will be using in this strategy is the 200 MA. All right, the second indicator would be the stochastic oscillator. All right, and how to add that is to come down to this triangle looking icon. All right, and then you scroll to EMA, you click on EMA. All right, then you see it appear right here. All right, then you will click on the pencil looking edit button and then you change it to 200. You do that, then it changes. All right, but I won't do that because I already have a 200 EMA. All right, so and the next indicator you will be adding is the stochastic. So I'll scroll down, all right, to add the stochastic, all right, oscillator. All right, as you can see, this is it. All right, so you click on it and you come here to click on the edit button. All right, and then you leave all this. You can increase the thickness by moving this. All right, you can do that. Okay, so when you're done, then it appears here. All right, so I already have one, so I will remove this one. All right, so this is how it looks. This is how it looks. All right, so now this is how the strategy works. All right, the first thing you have to pay attention to is the candles. All right, let me get my annotation so that I can explain this. All right, so now this red and green candles you're seeing here are called Japanese candles. All right, the green candle signifies a buy, the red candle signifies a sell. All right, so I'm going to zoom in so that you can see them. You can see when it is green, the market starts to buy. When it is red, the market starts to sell. All right, but the first thing you're looking at, all right, is checking if the candles are above the 200 MA moving average. All right, the 200 moving average. That is this yellow line. The yellow line is the 200 moving average. Okay, so let me get my rotation back. All right, so you can see that the candles are clearly above the 200. This right here is the 200 EMA. All right, so once the candles are above the 200 EMA, it signifies that the market is on a buy trend. All right, so all you're looking for is a buy signal. All right, so whenever the candles are above the 200 MA, you're looking for a buy. When it is below the 200 MA, you're looking for a sell. So right now, all right, so if you look at this current example, the candles were going for a buy. All right, but how do I enter this? To enter a trade, I will look at the stochastic oscillator, and that is this one down here. All right, this one right down here, right? And what I will do is, as you can see, the stochastic oscillator has an overbought level at 80 and an oversold level at 20, right down here. All right, so when you check that the candles are above the 200 MA, all right, what you now do is you wait for the stochastic to come to the 20 level, oversold, and then cross up. You see the the blue crossing the red and pointing up. When that happens, all right, you enter a buy. Right? So you wait for the stochastic to come to the oversold level. The oversold level means that the market has had a lot of sellers and will begin to buy. Right? Overbought level means the market has had a lot of sellers and begin to sell. All right. Sorry, the oversold level says that the market has had too much buyers and will begin too much sellers, right, and will begin to buy. All right. While the overbought level shows that the market has had too much buyers and will begin to sell. So, but because this is a buy example, we will be looking at the oversold level. So once the stochastic comes here, we will pay attention that this is still above. Make sure that the candles are still above the 200 MA. And then once they cross, you enter a buy. All right, this is where you will have entered. You have entered this little buy. All right, and this is on the 4 hours. On the 4 hours chart, you can use this strategy for any time frame: 1 minute, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours. All right. So now, for example, this is a current example that I'm looking at right now. This is where the market is right now. All right. So what would I do in this situation? All right. This is for the Euro USD. So in this situation, I will buy the market, and let me show you why. All right. The first reason why I will buy this market, is first the candles are above the 200 MA. Can you see that? The candles are above this yellow line. The yellow line is 200 MA, right? So that's one. So that means this is an uptrend. That means I should be looking to buy, all right? But why will I buy? I would buy because the stochastic has come down to 20, right, and is crossing, all right? So I would do a buy on Euro USD right now, all right? So let me clear this, clear all drawings. Let me exit here. So I would buy because one, the candles are above the 200 MA, signifying that it's on a buy trend. And then the stochastic came to 20 and then is doing a cross. So I would take, what I would do here is that I would take um, a percentage of my account. All right, $100. All right, and so I would it's advisable to not use more than 2% of your account to trade per trade. So I use $100 here. All right, and then I will click on the up, right, and execute the trade. All right, so it has entered the trade already here. All right, so let me check my trades. If you want to check your trade, you go to trades to check your trades. All right, so as you can see, it has started moving. All right, these are my other trades that happened. Can you see the strategy has been working? These are the trades that have gone well. All right, so this is the current trade, and then I clicked on the buy I because the market should buy, all right, because of our strategy. So the strategy has told us to buy. Why? Because the candles are above the 200 MA and the stochastic came to 20 and crossed up. All right, this is for a buy example. All right. So for a sell example, you do the opposite. For a sell example, you do the opposite of that. All right. All right. So for example, the candles came down here. All right. You wait for it to get to the overbought level and then you sell. All right. Very easy. Very easy. All right. You can see this. Very, very easy. You can see here the candles. Let me show you. The candles came right down, all right, and then the stochastic came at overbought level and crossed down. The blue crossed the red, and you can see if you had sold from here, this would have been a lot of profits, all right. So this is the 4-hour chart, a whole lot of profits. All right, so that's the strategy, and that's a quick strategy that you can use on the Olymp Trade platform right now and start making money. All right. Please remember to click on the subscribe button and the like button. All right. And also check the links below, right, to get started. Our links are posted right down below. All right. So check the links right, to get started. The links will take you to our page where you register, all right, with us, and then you can fund your account and get started with us. All right. So our platform comes with a lot of things, bonuses and opportunities, and uh, a whole lot of stuff for you. All right. So please click the link to get started. All right. And we'll be posting more videos and more strategies. All right, to keep you up to date. All right. Thank you, and have a good day.